Hey guys, so a big part of boondock camping is four-wheeling and being able to off-road to a site that most people wouldn't go to, and that's what gets you your private little area to be in. One of the biggest tools I use is actually getting out of my truck and walking the road before I go down it, or taking my mountain bike and mountain biking to the next turnaround to make sure it's safe, because you wouldn't see these 2.5 foot ruts from a half a mile back where I started walking. So So take a look at how sharp this switchback is. It's straight up as soon as you turn back up the turn. So you have to be on four-wheel drive to make it. And then the whole right side of the road has been washed away all the way up the final summit road here. We're finally going to make it up to the top of the hill and then hop over the top. At the top on the left and the right, if you were boondocking in a pickup truck, there are campsites on the left and right of the summit here, at the T at the top of this hill. But there's no way you could pull a trailer this far.
Okay, so when you see like trees cut down into the hole, that means someone got stuck. So you don't want to go that way, basically is what that means. You do not want to go that way because someone already tried and it didn't work for them. So I'm going to try to go a different way here. Around the hole. Okay.
Driving through West Virginia, and I've seldom been better. with that chip on my shoulder. And this past year I got so much older. Looking back over my life, spent the most of it tongue-tied. I wish I'd had more time listening to you speak your mind. Now I'm thinking about it every day on my mind, a typical way. Are you a life force? Thinking about it every day on my mind, a typical way. Are you a life force? Drinking coffee black as iron, and I couldn't be much higher without falling out of my chair. I've been so numb for so many years. Now I'm thinking about it every day on my mind, a typical way. Are you a life force? Thinking about her every day on my mind, a typical way. Are you a life force? And it's so easy to be blinded by the light, to feel lonely in the night. It's blowing in the breeze, babe. I got dust in my eyes, rust in my mind. I'll be home come next spring. Won't you say you love me later?
This video's been a lot of fun to make. I appreciate you all for watching. Like, share with a friend, get them to subscribe, and I'll keep making them and traveling around. I'll see you guys in another time, another place.